What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special one for you. I know I've been gone off the channel for a while now. It's been about, I think, 2 months, maybe close to 3 months. In the last video we did, we unboxed the Canon EOS RP, so if you guys want to check that out, be sure to head over to the channel and check that video out, along with a lot of other videos. We have some travel videos, some other unboxings, a whole bunch of stuff. But today, what are we doing? If you guys follow me over on my gaming channel at Pytash, you guys know we've been having a lot of mic issues recently with my mic cutting in and out, not really working all the time. So we've had the Blue Snowball Ice for about 5 or 6 years. It has done amazing things for me. I think it's a really good mic, especially for the price. It is a perfect budget or starting microphone to start off with. I have no complaints over the Snowball Ice. I just think it's finally run its course and it's coming to the end of its life. I thought it's been 5 or 6 years. It's time to pull the trigger, make the upgrade. So today, what are we taking a look at? The ELGATO WAVE 3. I'm super excited about this microphone. I heard really good reviews about it. It's nice, clean, sleek looking. It's going to be a lot smaller, more minimal, and more my style than the Snowball Ice. I'm super excited to try this out, give it a comparison between this microphone here and the Blue Snowball Ice, and just to see what the audio quality of this thing is like. Now I'm sure the more we use it, the more we'll get used to it and be able to play around with the settings and be able to make the audio sound even better. But today we're just mostly going to be looking at straight out of the box what it sounds like. But not only are we looking at this microphone, but we're also taking a look at the shock mount that ELGATO makes for it, just to help with the audio even more, plus the ELGATO pop filter for the microphone as well. Now both the shock mount and the pop filter also work with the Wave 1, so if you're rocking the Wave 1, these will also work with your microphone. So if you are over here from the gaming channel, just know this is the Life of Pytash channel, so be sure to look right below the video to see if you're subscribed, because you might not even realize that you're on a different channel here, but make sure you're subscribed. Over on the gaming channel, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you enjoyed your gaming content, be sure to head over there. If you're over here on this channel, you want more lifestyle vlog type videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button here, because in the near future, I have a ton of plans coming up. I know COVID kind of derailed this channel a little bit, and we've been focusing mostly on the gaming channel, but I think it's almost time to come back to this channel and start making a ton of videos here. So if you are super excited, be sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button down below. But without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Alright, let's start things off here with the actual microphone, the Wave 3. And then we will go and look at the accessories that attach to the microphone. So we have superior circuitry, anti-clipping technology, zero latency monitoring, multifunctional control dial, capacity mute sensor, internal pop filter, and a modular mount. Let's check it out. What is the packaging experience of ELGATO? I opened one ELGATO. Oh no, I opened the Stream Deck as well. Stream Deck, the HD60. Now the microphone. It opens up like this. Ready? Ooh, it's a box inside a box. Look at that though. That's clean. That is clean. Little pamphlet. Here's the cable for the microphone. It is a USB Type A, USB-C. Pretty nice. Lift up the packaging. And here we go. Here is the microphone itself. So here we go. Oh, look at that little ELGATO sticker. The mic is definitely heavier than I thought it was going to be. But overall, it looks pretty nice. See the mute button on top here. Your USB and headphone jack in the back. It's the small details, you know, like if you see right here on the screws on the side, it has the ELGATO logo where it actually says Wave 3. And you can tighten these and loosen them at your exact position. You can reposition the microphone, angled up, angle it down, however you need it. Now let's just put this to the side. Now let's get out the next item here, which is the shock mount. Going back here, it says anti-vibration suspension mount, made specifically for the ELGATO microphones. Okay, so inside the box we actually get this massive quick start guide. I don't know why it's so big, but it tells you exactly how to use it, how to put it on, and then you get the shock mount, which is also pretty sturdy as well. Ooh, that's really nice. Look at that. So it has 4 points of tension bands here in all 4 corners. And simply to connect, all you do is unscrew the microphone here from the desktop mount that comes with the microphone. No tools required. And you just lift it off. Ooh, most of the weight there is on this desktop mount. And you'll simply just slide it in here. Just like you're putting on a toilet paper roll. Slide it in. Right onto the points. Align the screw holes and right in. And then lastly, we have the pop filter. Let's check it out. It says anti-plosive noise shield. Gonna get in the box there. I do like how they're all very uniform in the way they package their items. Here we go. We have another quick start guide for the pop filter. This is going to tell you how to align the magnetic pop filter and let it snap into place. Oh, okay. It's just magnetic. Kind of cool. Very lightweight. It's not like a flimsy mesh. It's kind of like a metal, like aluminum mesh maybe. So more durable than your average pop filter. So once your shock mount, if you have the shock mount, once the screws are hand tight, not going anywhere, you can't pull it off. Simply take your pop filter. So simply you just pinch the hooks here close to the microphone, slide it right up in, and there you go. Not going anywhere. Perfect, beautiful. And there, all together, is your microphone. You can still have that movement back and forth. If you do have it connected to a boom arm, you can change it with this point right here. Before we get into the comparison between the Blue Snowball Ice versus this Elgato Wave 3 right here, let's talk about pricing. So the microphone itself that comes with the desktop stand is originally $160. Now this mesh magnetic pop filter made specifically for the Elgato Wave microphones is $30. You don't have to go with this one. You can go for one that I had back when I used the Blue Snowball Ice, which is this one right here. It's a Dragon Pad. I think this is about $10 on Amazon. So if you wanted to go for a cheaper pop filter rather than the Elgato one, you can do that. You don't have to use the Elgato pop filter with the microphone, but just know that is an option. And then the Elgato Wave shock mount, which is this bit right here that goes around the microphone that has the 4 tension points to help with the vibrations in the audio, especially if you're going to be moving the boom arm around a lot, or if you're going to be tapping the desk, or if it's on the desk. It does help out with the audio. The Elgato Wave shock mount is $40. Also, one thing to note, if you're planning to get the microphone, the pop filter, and the shock mount all from Elgato, you can go to their website right now for an exclusive deal of $200 for the entire bundle, thus saving you some money buying it as a package right from the Elgato website. Now, you don't have to do that. I was just letting you guys know that that is an option if you guys were planning on getting all 3 from Elgato. Now, let's take a look at the comparison between the Blue Snowball Ice versus the Elgato Wave 3, plus some extra sound testing on the Elgato Wave 3. Hello, this is me talking about a foot away from the Blue Snowball microphone. It does have the noise gate and the gain both on it that I normally use, so we'll see how it compares to a stock, right out of the gate, Elgato microphone. Haven't plugged it in yet, so we'll see how it works the first ever time. This is a sound test on the Blue Snowball microphone. Hopefully you're enjoying the video and thinking about subscribing. This is a sound test on the Elgato Wave 3. Hopefully you're enjoying the video and thinking about subscribing. This is straight out of the box, no settings change. This is test number 2, increasing the gain on the microphone, as well as including a noise gate. I'll produce the echo and background noise. Next up, I want to try to do a little bit of a sound test. So this is me talking straight ahead, right in front of the microphone, about 3 inches away from it. And now this is me talking into the microphone, still about 3 inches away from it, but from the side. Now this is me about a foot away, talking straight into the microphone, testing the audio straight ahead. And this is me about a foot away from the microphone, talking from the side of the microphone to see if it still sounds the same, if it's close to the same. And then this is me talking from behind the microphone just to see how it sounds. I'm about a foot away from the back of the microphone, just talking to see if it sounds any different from the back. So next up, I did want to test one other thing. So back when I was using the Snowball Ice, I would move the microphone arm and you would hear a ton of noise. So let's try it here. Seems pretty good actually. Let's move it as we're talking. Let's see if you can hear anything. The shock mount definitely should help with that. With the 4-point tensions on the shock mount, it should definitely help out with moving this boom arm around. So wherever I want it, if I want it right here, I can move it right there and it should be a-okay to go. Another thing that I really enjoy about this microphone is its small form factor. It takes up so much less space. It's not like in the way. I don't have to have a giant circular pop filter on the outside. I just have this nice little rectangular one that covers perfectly over the mic, connected to the mic itself. I don't have to have a giant pop filter connected to the boom arm, reaching the whole way out and just obscuring more of my vision. Another interesting thing that I just figured out by accident is that if I'm talking and I actually start wiggling the mic, this shock mount absorbs all of that as well. At least based on what I'm seeing on the monitor here, it looks like you can bump this mic and it's still good to go. But so far, for initial impressions, I am loving this microphone. I definitely think it's an upgrade from the Snowball Ice. I got that thing back in 2015, 2016. It's been a minute since I upgraded my microphone, and that one was starting to die out. And so far, I'm happy that I went with the ELGATO Wave 3. That makes the ELGATO capture card, the ELGATO Stream Deck Mini, and now an ELGATO mic. So hey, ELGATO, if you're looking to work with any new and upcoming content creators, let me know. Another sound feature that ELGATO added into this microphone is actually a clip guard. So what exactly is a clip guard? So most microphones, if you start getting really loud and yelling into the microphone, you'll hear that like and start to static and break up. Whereas this, if I start yelling into the microphone, it should be okay. Just testing out the clip guard on the microphone. So that we'll see after we start editing it if that actually worked, or if I don't have the clip guard on, then I just blow out your eardrums. I apologize. Lastly, I want to take a look at the size comparison between the ELGATO Wave 3 and the Blue Snowball Ice, and show you some of the features that the microphone has directly on it. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Although these microphones are both very small, it's hard to tell a difference because one is more rectangular and one is a ball. However, when they're both in frame for the camera, the Snowball Ice definitely looks a whole lot bigger, whereas the ELGATO Wave 3 is a lot thinner, more compact, and just overall cleaner looking in my opinion. On the front of the microphone, we have 3 different settings. Starting from left to right, we have the mic gain, monitor volume, and the mic PC mix. Right under that, you see the light indicator that can show you the gain, monitor volume, and the mix. And then the knob under it allows you to adjust the volume of each of the 3 settings. Plus, if you push it, it rotates through the 3 settings. Also, on the very top of the microphone, there is a touch-sensitive mute button. So all you have to do is give it a light tap, and it'll mute it, give it another light tap, and it'll unmute it. There you guys have it. That is a first look, unboxing, first impression review on the ELGATO Wave 3. Overall, I think personally that it does sound a lot better than the Blue Snowball Ice. Now as time goes on, we'll be able to play with the settings a little bit more here and there and be able to make it sound even better than what it does right now. But guys, let me know down in the comments down below, what microphone are you rocking? If you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell. Make sure to double check to make sure you're subscribed to this channel, because most of you are probably coming over from the gaming channel and not even realizing you're on a completely new channel over here. But this is my Life of Pytash channel, where we do a lot of vlog and lifestyle type videos. Now, you might be like, well, there haven't really been any videos out on the channel, but they will be coming back. It's been a little difficult to travel in the past year, but hopefully this upcoming year, we're good to go. We can travel, do whatever we want, go outside, explore a little bit more. But if you are new around here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Go check me out over on my gaming channel at Pytash, where we play a ton of different games. And if you have your notifications on, we do live streams. So if you're there live, you have the possibility of playing in the games with me. It's always a ton of fun, good vibes, and it's always a great time over there. But as always, guys, if you enjoyed, tell your friends, tell your family, you know where to find me at Pytash, all major social medias. That's Twitter, Twitch, Instagram, and YouTube, all at Pytash. You can also follow me at Life of Pytash, right here on YouTube and on Instagram. But I'll see you guys next time.